Social media, it's where everyone from your grandma to your favorite meme artist hangs out. But have you ever wondered why some businesses are thriving while others are as barren as a deserted island? Today, we'll crack the code and show you how to turn your online presence into a social media powerhouse. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your feed, and there it is, a post that grabs your attention and won't let go. It's got the perfect image, the wittiest caption, and it speaks to you like an old friend. That's engagement gold, and it's what we're here to help you create. First things first, what exactly is social media? It's more than just cat videos and food pics. It's a digital jungle where connections are made, brands are built, and viral sensations are born. It's a space where billions of people come together to share, like, comment, and double tap. And guess what? Your business needs to be right in the middle of it. Now, let's talk engagement. Ever heard of the 3-second rule? No, not the one about dropping food. This one's about capturing attention. You've got 3 seconds to hook someone. That's it. So how do you do it? Enter the power of storytelling. Humans are wired for stories. Start with a question, drop a surprising fact, or share a tiny drama. Get people emotionally invested, and they'll stick around for the ride. Next up, visuals. People are visual creatures. A stunning image or an eye-catching graphic can stop a scroll in its tracks. Use vibrant colors, sharp contrasts, and unexpected elements. And don't forget the power of video. Movement catches the eye, use it to your advantage. But visuals alone won't cut it. You need killer captions. Think of them as the punchline to your visual joke. Be witty, be clever, be relatable. And always have a call to action. Tag a friend, tell us your thoughts, click the link, give your audience something to do next. Speaking of calls to action, let's talk about community. Engagement isn't just about getting likes and shares. It's about building relationships. Respond to comments, ask questions, and make your followers feel heard. Create content that invites conversation. Host live sessions, run polls, and share user-generated content. Make your audience a part of your story. Ever wonder why some posts go viral? It's the power of relatability. Share content that resonates with your audience's experiences, challenges, and dreams. The more they see themselves in your posts, the more they'll engage. And don't forget the magic of timing. Posting at the right time can mean the difference between going viral and going unseen. Use analytics to figure out when your audience is most active and schedule your posts accordingly. Consistency is your secret weapon. Show up regularly and show up strong. It's not just about posting often, but about maintaining a consistent voice and style. Be recognizable. Be unforgettable. Finally, keep evolving. Social media trends change faster than you can say, hashtag. Stay on top of what's new and be ready to pivot. Experiment with different formats, new features, and creative ideas. Keep your content fresh and exciting. And there you have it, the blueprint to social media success. Ready to turn those likes into love and those followers into fanatics? Dive in, get creative, and watch your engagement soar.